we've got less than 2 months by me celebrating 50th anniversary of Papua New Guinea, and this is my call. Government of the day, the government and the opposition, people of Papua New Guinea, Mipla got almost 2 months more before Mipla celebrating this 50th anniversary, and it saddens me. And I want to make a public appeal to the people of Papua New Guinea, and especially to all the politicians, all the CEOs, directors of all Papua New Guinea institutions, department heads, whoever you work underneath the government, you stop. Me like him, you may reflect back. And 50th anniversary, please, you may not can celebrating in enjoyment. You may celebrating one time reconciliation. You may talk sorry lo people of Papua New Guinea. You may just talk sorry lo. We have been stealing from Papua New Guinea for the last 50 years. Now why by you may celebrate? Yeah, me respect him, some development them come up. Well, thumbs up for that. But me looking awesome, people all suffer. You may still plenty too much lo people of Papua New Guinea. You may hijacking plenty process. You may mismanaging plenty public fund that rightful people but benefit out of it. You may misusing penis. And God is watching, honestly. Awesome, so me appeal, Prime Minister James Marape, this plaquettes fresh blue take back PNG. I think it's not right. You plakisim, it's like you guys are taking Papua New Guinea to your hands. You plakisim come humbly pla. Now me appeal, this plaquettes fresh take back Papua New Guinea. As we are about to celebrate 50th anniversary, me tanim this la talk na mila twist him go down na mila talk osem. Please give back Papua New Guinea to its people. Just give back Papua New Guinea to its people. Ina pla you pla holim lahan you pla na play lo Papua New Guinea, please. You pla sorry lo people lo Papua New Guinea, please. Give back Papua New Guinea to its people. How about you give back and sacrifice now? You pla come talk sorry lo Papua New Guinea lo 50th anniversary. Don't celebrate. First thing first. Reconcile. Talk sorry lo people lo Papua New Guinea osem. Sorry osem last 50 years. One mina plo me give him na developing this nation, na me no make him. I have been stealing from you, Papua New Guinean. I have been bypassing all the process na protocols plo signing all agreement na all this like something. Some plo loss me make him where you know na plo benefiting you people na me make him for the last 50 years. Me sorry lo bel blo me. Na me lagi beken you people plo Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea me lagi lo handle you plo beken. Me take back na me kisi na me hold him stop here now. I want to give you Papua New Guinea back your land, your resource, your policy, your services. What you right lo got there, me being paulim na bagarapim lo the last 50 years here. Now me lagi beken lo people lo Papua New Guinea. Let us reconcile lo 50th anniversary blo mipla. First thing first, you me talk sorry. You department heads, you look out in government department na staff na you've been stealing. You've been making one plus something. Please, Mila Toki, God is watching you. Na ba you me celebrate me a maski. First thing first, come 16 September, me appeal ya. Please, you me come down lo nis blow you me. You me talk sorry lo God na. You me talk sorry lo Papua New Guinea people. 8 million plus people lo Papua New Guinea. You me talk sorry lo for the last 50 years. Me pla been stealing. Na hijacking or some plus something where rightfully belong to you. Na now, the people all suffer stop lo remotest part of Papua New Guinea. You me talk sorry lo na. Gimbeken Papua New Guinea lo people lo Papua New Guinea. You plak sim na holim lahan blo you play enough now. You play talk sorry na gimbeken Papua New Guinea lo people blame. Instead of you play politician holim lahan blo you play na. You play enough ya please. Es me play come please. All politicians you play harim slato please. You me come down lo ni blo you me talk sorry lo people lo Papua New Guinea. You me gimbeken Papua New Guinea lo all people. Please, suppose you like him, share him this la video go come. Maybe make him post more videos about what to do, what you can make him, what you can try him to make him so that this la day you me celebrate him differently. My message. Anyway, like you people all get. God bless.